Okay, today we are going to work on this problem. So you might be wondering, where is all the noise coming from? Well, I thought it was coming from this, but it's not. I thought maybe it's coming from these, but it's not. Actually, it's coming from these little rollers. I think they're just really, really dry. So let's see what we gotta do to fix this. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of this liquid wrench silicone spray. I'm gonna spray some here. I'm gonna spray some inside of this thing here. I'm not gonna go crazy with it because, yeah, that's what I wanted to avoid, is it dripping all over the place. I'm gonna spray some in here. See, it's just gonna drip everywhere. I don't want that, see? See, that's what I don't want, is silicone grease on my floor. All right, so for this one, I just stuffed a paper towel up there. That way I can just spray some there, spray some in the back, spray some inside of here, and then it can just drip on the paper towel, no problem. There we go. Okay, on these double ones where you've got the roller inside of there, you also need to spray either side of these hinge joints. So all along here, you've got these little hinge joints, spray inside of there as well. You can see there's a whole bunch of them up and down. And then I went in and just sprayed some on this spring as well. I don't think it'll hurt, or it might actually extend the life of your spring there. And I've got the belt drive one, so there's really no maintenance on that until the belt breaks anyway. But there's really nothing you can do. So it should be a lot quieter. All right, so now that I finished all down here, here, and here, and then also I sprayed some on the spring, and then also I decided to spray right up there is where the cable winds up. I sprayed some there, and then in the back of this roller. Basically anything that moves, I sprayed. Let's see what this sounds like. Much better.